Sanding down in the rebar or in the angle iron, that way they can finish the water tank thing. Now put a ladder in there, and where they can climb up the ladder and fill the tank. But it's starting to take some shape. I haven't did a video in a while. Probably shouldn't. I need to do weed eating first. That's where the house is going to be eventually. Definitely had to do some weed eating. All that kind of big rain made the grass grow big time. Rabbit house. Got the solar panels up situated. Hopefully I get enough energy to keep me off grid, but I don't know. Not promising yet. Down here is the kitchen area. You got the dirty kitchen and bamboo and everything else. I had to take the babies' ducklings out of the other duck area because they were getting picked on and run over. So I brought them in here. One of them was about half dead, but as you can see, they're doing pretty good now. Oh, we got one laying on his back again. You taking a nap? Okay. Yeah, I'm running solo today. Neil kind of went over to Van Dyne Island. She had a funeral to go to. So I'm taking care of all the babies myself, which is all right. Gives me something to do. And the solar panel didn't turn out too bad. See how it is on the windier days. I got it good substantial up there. It's good and solid, so hopefully everything will be all right.